1. Healthy omelette. Let's start with a healthy breakfast option. The omelette. To make this, you'll need some eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Heat up some oil in a non-stick pan and add the eggs. When they start to set, add the spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese on one side of the omelette. Fold the other side over and let it cook for a few more seconds. Voila! Your healthy omelette is ready. 2. Chicken stir-fry. For a quick and easy dinner option, we have a delicious chicken stir-fry. You'll need some chicken breast, mixed vegetables, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Cut the chicken into small pieces and season with salt and pepper. In a pan, add some oil and cook the chicken until it's golden brown. Then, add in the vegetables and cook for a few minutes. Finally, add soy sauce, garlic, and ginger to the pan and stir everything together. Your chicken stir-fry is ready to be served. 3. Avocado toast. And finally, we have a healthy snack option. Avocado toast. To make this, you'll need some bread, avocado, lemon juice, and salt. Toast the bread until it's crispy. In a bowl, mash the avocado and add lemon juice and salt to taste. Spread the avocado mixture on the toast and sprinkle some black pepper on top. Your delicious and healthy avocado toast is ready to be enjoyed. 4. Quinoa salad. Our first recipe is a delicious quinoa salad. You'll need quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, fresh parsley, and lemon juice. Cook the quinoa according to the package instructions and set it aside to cool. In a large bowl, add the chopped cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion. Add the cooled quinoa to the bowl and mix everything together. Finally, add the fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix again and your quinoa salad is ready to serve. 5. Baked salmon. Our second recipe is a delicious baked salmon dish. You'll need salmon fillets, garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking dish with parchment paper and place the salmon fillets on top. Drizzle with olive oil and squeeze lemon juice on top. Crush some garlic cloves and sprinkle them over the top of the salmon. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Serve with your favorite side dish. 6. Banana oatmeal muffins. Our final recipe is a healthy and delicious muffin that you can enjoy for breakfast or as a snack. You'll need oats, ripe bananas, honey, and vanilla extract. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a blender, blend the oats until they become a fine flour. Add the ripe bananas, honey, and vanilla extract to the blender and blend everything together. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin lined with muffin cups. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the muffins are cooked through. Serve and enjoy. 7. How to make oatmeal. To make oatmeal, all you need are some oats and water. We prefer to use rolled oats, as they have a great texture and are quick to cook. Simply add the oats to a pot with some water, and cook on medium heat until the oats are soft and the mixture has thickened. Once your oatmeal is cooked, it's time to add some delicious toppings. We love adding fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and bananas, as well as some nuts and seeds for crunch. You can also add some natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup if you like your oatmeal on the sweeter side. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious bowl of oatmeal that's perfect for breakfast or any time you need a quick and healthy snack. 8. How to make diet pizza at home. First up, we're going to use a cauliflower crust instead of traditional pizza dough. Cauliflower is a low-carb vegetable that's rich in vitamins and fiber, making it a great choice for a healthy pizza crust. To make the crust, simply pulse some cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice. Then, mix the cauliflower rice with some almond flour, egg, and seasoning, and bake until crispy. Next, we're going to use a homemade pizza sauce made from fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. This sauce is low in sugar and preservatives, and adds tons of flavor to your pizza. Now it's time to add some delicious toppings. We like to use lean proteins like grilled chicken or shrimp, and lots of veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and spinach. Pop your pizza in the oven and bake until the crust is crispy and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy pizza that's perfect for satisfying your craving.